How to add a centerline or a center mark in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, we'll learn how to add a centerline or a center mark in AutoCAD. A centerline or a center mark is a type of annotation that helps you indicate the center of a circle, arc, or a pair of lines. You can use the center mark and centerline tools in the Annotate tab of AutoCAD to create them easily. To add a center mark to a circle or an arc, click the Annotate tab. Centerlines panel. Center mark. Then select the circle or arc and press Enter. You can adjust the size and appearance of the center mark using the grips or the Properties palette. To add a centerline between two lines, click the Annotate tab. Centerlines panel. Centerline. Then select the first and second lines or linear polyline segments and press Enter. The centerline will be automatically placed in the middle of the two lines. You can change the length and angle of the centerline using the grips or the Properties palette.